Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Battle Cats.
Example of his determination and relentless. And he achieved with Camp David, of course. First opener. Dang it. At least we still have rare cat things. I want to do Uber Fest. That's really cool. I'm going to close my eyes and I'm not going to look. When I hear the noise, I'm going to look. Okay? I'm not looking. What did I get? Dang it! I hate Minecraft. I have because I already have it. I don't want Walter White. At least I can go use my lucky cat such I guess now. Let's see if I get right. Only I have the little cat scratcher. Come on. That's 170, I think. Maybe enough. Guys, let me know in the comments if I should use my cat food on this or if I should just do my 11 try thing. 750 cat food and save up for it. Because I don't know yet. These are my cats right now. Yeah, I have a lot of bloopers selected. Let's just play a stage. There's a stage called The Great Abyss I think in the past. I'm going to show you it. No, Max never got it. I mean, I'll try. Max. The treasure. I think that's good. Here we go. No. That's the hard part. See this one? I'm trying to do some of these things. Well, at least we tried. We tried, guys. Let's see if an upgrade is so close.